Katyusza na wysokim na kruтой. Выходила, песню заводила про степного сизого орла, про того, которого...
Here, rail fanning. There should be another one arriving. While I'm waiting, I'm just gonna wait until 12 something. Yeah, 12:30 until I take the next one. And after that, I gotta go pee. I didn't even pee yet. Sorry for the long wait up the post. And for lack of entry. I got off at that station over there. I'm lucky now that I can get my phone. Three to the R or N, and then N to 53rd. I didn't even know if Rail Fanning would do, since my channel's already dead. Anyways, so I might at least post something before, I don't know, before I think like anyone might think that I'm dead or just, I don't know, however YouTuber does. Quit. Well, at least I gotta do something. I don't know if I could. Nope, I cannot. Oh my god, it's out of here. I better go check out the other half. Okay, suck. God, it's that's funny. No, we should be seeing the 3 train anytime now. While we wait for it to go out. Set. glad he learned Corvus. He would think I was talking on my own. Anyways, like I said, I had to post something for the channel. Before anyone thinks I'm dead or alive. Before anyone thinks I'm dead or just lazy to do something. That's the 3 train I took. The alarm is going off on the exit. Another L train arriving. Hey, at least he came in time. The next stop for that train will be Sutter Avenue. Then the next stop for this train, New Lots. You know, I think you should just add it to the page. Are remarkable. And thinking of some new turnstiles that would literally stop any passengers trying to skip paying fare. Since the MTA is already struggling with that. With the student passes, the metro cards, the Omni, all of that. I heard that they're gonna, one of the metros I saw from my YouTube have, I don't know what they used to have, but now they have these charter cards. Like I said, now they're just starting to be married. I can't even remember what was the last verse. street is Manhattan. So 8th Ave, 4th Ave, 14th Street, 8th Ave, 14th Street in Manhattan. They should have expanded the L all the way to Hudson Yards. And the 7, I heard they wanna probably expand it all the way to New Jersey. Plus, since with the government raising the prices and trying to defund Metro, since it's already been around since 1904. Wiener Schnitzel. I thought somebody was going to come up to the overpass. But at least we got the overpasses. We're all fanning. You know, I actually went one time to the last stop on the L was Canarsie. It was my first time. I'm just gonna stay in silent mode for a little bit. Okay, that was an awkward silence, like a moment of silence. Since I won't talk around people while recording, or else they might think like if I'm like, I don't know. I just usually have my phones. I'm just saying, since my channel's already been dead, since I'm just gonna be honest, it's already been dead anyway, so I just stick with TikTok, which the US is trying to get banned. You know, they should have just banned it from there anyways. Like, I heard they want to expand the Second Avenue line. Second Avenue. So yeah. I'm just saying, not being rude or anything. And I'm just here. I'm just only here because I put my timer to 12:30 to have me enough time to rail fan. You know, actually, this is my third time being in Livonia. After the first time I decided to take the O train down, that is an all the way to Manhattan. Because one time I took myself all the way to Manhattan by taking the 5 or the 4 train to record myself at at the abandoned City Hall loop. And that was my first time ever doing something like that. And when I showed the video to my grandparents and my mom said do not do that again. That was when I was 12. Like I just didn't even know, because for me, I just like doing something. Like for an example, rail fan on the L line while I wait for 12:30. Since I think I'm a little too much early, so I'll just wait until 12:30 to make it like before 1. Well, those marked for silence anyways. There's the other stairs. And there is... I forgot what was the station name. There's one to Rockaway. The other one to Manhattan. And I've been to Manhattan anyways, much more times than I could count. And since I'm just here to record, and while I'm waiting for 12:30, since I have a Chamberlain practice, it's a sort of Mexican dance, which I'm not going to be racist or anything, which I'm not going to say anything else, or else I might just think like, oh, I just did a bad move. This is the whole Livonia. That's the next stop, Sutter. And the other stop next to Broadway, next to the junction, is Atlantic. And the next and final stop, well, used to be the final stop, which sometimes is used for the L, is Broadway Junction, which is connected with 5 lines. This one is connected to WIC, the J and Z, the A and C line. Get it? Z, C, you know, CZ. It kind of rhymes. But anyways, I might need to check every time so I don't get my luck so far. But